Hey guys, let's go thrift shopping. I thought I'd bring you along with me today. We will see if we'll find any bargains. Some days you do and some days you don't, but I've got a bunch of stuff to drop off at the thrift store, as you guys know. If you did not see me going through everything I'm donating and why, I had a huge closet clear out, so I'll link that video down below. I'm going with my friend Emma and I'm late to pick her up, so we've got to go now, but I just thought I'd do a little intro so we're not just randomly in the thrift store amongst all these racks of clothes and old ladies, lovely cute old ladies, and you guys are like, what is happening? So yes, let's go. Same makeup as yesterday, pretty much, just really natural makeup. This necklace is Karen Walker. This ring is actually thrifted. I need to do a video about it. It's like amazing. It's handmade silver. Swarovski bracelet. For my outfit, I'm wearing a top from Glassons, a skirt from Boohoo, I think it was, the tall section. I have my new bag, which again, I can link that video down below. I did a video all about this bag. It was thrifted and it was like the best bargain ever. I'm not sure why my legs look purple in this lighting, but these are the shoes that I decided to go for. They're really cute and they're super comfy as well. Just found this skirt, which is really cute. I like the buttons on this. This is really cute, but it's like child size.
What is that?
I don't know. It's so creepy. What is it?
I have no idea what this is.
Fred. Oh, is it so?
It must do something though, but I don't want to break it.
Surely. So cheap. I like this. Yeah. Yeah, I had a quick look at the curtains, but there wasn't any colours that I liked for like the lounge or anything. That beigey ones, okay, yeah, exactly. She's not happy with life. Are these wigs for sale? Is that why? Oh, okay. That'd be creepy if they were. After we've got our baskets all full, we go to a corner and we review our purchases with each other. This is why it's good to go with a friend, because you're like, do I need this? Yes. I'm gonna try this jacket on and this faux fur scarf. That's cute.
Yeah, do you think, I was just worried about the neck, I don't know if the neckline
would you wear it obviously with like leggings or something?
Yeah, because it's quite short I think on me,
yeah.
Would be.
Is it Glassons? It looks like a Glassons tag.
Yeah, it is actually. I just think it needs like a tie or something, but I think
yeah,
like a nice
that's what I was thinking, because you have to wear it with a belt and then that would shorten it.
Over a bikini for like going to the beach.
That's true. Although I feel like a lot of times I've justified getting clothes because I'm like, I could wear this over a bikini, and I wear a bikini like once a year. But that's like your colour, I feel like.
Yeah,
stripy. Yes.
The rest I'm fine with.
Okay. Right, I'll show you these.
That is cute.
I love the tweed like pattern.
Yeah. Does the zip work?
I'm not sure, I need to try it on, and plus it's a 12 made in New Zealand.
Oh, that's cute.
Gucci.
Oh, they are cute.
Shoes creep me out a bit, I'm not gonna lie. This would be so cute, but I hate the collar. If it was like that, it would be perfect. We're on my bed, by the way, if you could not tell. I've got this panda pillow next to me. Isn't it amazing? One night after we had dinner, and I was like tiddly from wine at dinner, we went to go buy a few things, and I was like, can I please have this panda with pink sparkly eyes? And Tom was like, okay babe, like if that's what you want. I was like, yes! So excited. It's so cute. So I managed to pick up a couple of clothing items. It wasn't like a great day for clothing. It was so busy in there. I don't know why. Like, it's usually not that busy. It's a Tuesday. But I got a couple of skirts that I really like. So the first one I got looks like this. It almost looks like a tweed from afar, but it's actually like a woolen type fabric. I'm not sure of the brand of this. It just says United Colors of Benetton. And there's no size in it or anything, so I have no idea if it's going to fit. It definitely looks like a bit of a thicker skirt, so obviously it will be nice once it gets colder, if it fits me that is, but it is quite short, so I could get away with wearing it at the moment. It's definitely one that I would wear with like a collared white shirt or something, just for like a plain look, or maybe like a black turtleneck with a little necklace like this could be cute. So I'm hoping that it fits me, but I don't know yet. And I also picked up this pleather skirt. I have a, I guess, pleathery black skirt already, but it's more of like a vinyl look. It's really shiny. And this one's like a skater skirt style. It kind of flares out. And it's just a cheaper brand. I don't know about this brand. This does feel quite nice quality. This one I can tell it's just from like Tempt or Valley Girl or something. But all the clothing items were 50 cents each. So if it doesn't fit you, or if you don't like it, it's not really the end of the world. I try on what I can there. There's like a really tiny little shoddy, to be honest, changing room that I would not trust getting changed in. Like, nobody uses it. So I mean, it's 50 cents at the end of the day. If something doesn't suit you, it's probably easier to just buy it. So I got these two. Hopefully they match me. And I also picked up this faux fur scarf. We're going to Winterfest this year, and I'll probably do some skiing and that sort of thing. And I've got a really nice black winter coat, and I thought that this scarf tucked into it would look so cute. Obviously it's faux fur, but it feels really nice. And usually I hate faux fur on me because it throws a lot warmer than this. It's usually like a really like yellowy sort of color, whereas this was like a cooler colored faux fur. So I think that's gonna look really chic and cute. Not really seasonally appropriate for right now, but when you see a bargain, you've got to get it. I won't talk about this because that's boring. Picked up a container. Energy found a whole stash of these, and so she bought a whole bunch, and then she's like, do you need any? I thought I'd just pick up one with a separation in the middle because we don't have any containers like this. They're good for like leftover curry and everything, and it's like new condition. It's not someone's used container, so I thought, oh, may as well grab one. For the little bric-a-brac items I got, I picked up a fridge magnet, which is so random because I don't know if it's just the time of year, but we have so much stuff on our fridge. I've acquired lots of photographs, like those little Polaroids and stuff, which I like displaying, and then obviously the shopping list. And then we keep getting given vouchers for stuff, which I just like to keep on the fridge so we don't lose them. And then obviously like takeout menus and stuff like that. I don't know, I just feel like stuff is falling off the fridge because we don't have enough magnets, and I saw the magnet box there and I just thought I'll grab one. Honestly, they were all pretty sad looking, like worse for wear, but this one was still funny. It says, chocolate, if I can't eat chocolate in heaven, I'm not going there, which is just so corny, but also I kind of love it because I'm a chocoholic, so I thought I would get that. Again, it looks kind of old, but I was like, whatever, it's gonna do the job, it's a magnet. I got some earrings, but I'll save those till last. I also found a cute photo frame, which I think I might have shown in the actual vlog itself, but this was only $1. I have a lot of white frames around the house, but I thought this one was quite cute and girly. It's like a silvery color, and obviously for like bedside table or maybe in my office or something. I am mindful of the fact that a male lives here as well, so I don't deck out the whole house too girly, but in my own spaces I like it quite girly. So this was only $1. I just thought, what a great deal. I need to go print some photos anyway. Tama's nana has been wanting photos of his graduation for like 2 years, and he hasn't got around to printing them for her, and I'm like, Tama, print the photos for your nana. So I'm probably going to do like a bulk printing session soon of heaps of different photos. By the way, I changed my lip color. It's just a clear gloss now. This is called Rosy Plump from Lancome, and it's really nice. It's not shimmery and it's not like a creamy color. It's just pure clear. Second to last thing is this little wooden form. I know you probably think it's so random, but I think it's so chic. Like, look, even over there, if I set it on my bedside table, it would look so cute. I don't necessarily think I'll put anything on it. Maybe you could store like bracelets or rings on it, I suppose. I just like the look of it. It's got a wooden base. It's really nice quality. I would buy a home decor piece like this for like $45, $50, you know, from a decor store. And I love houndstooth print as well. I just thought it was really cute. The cute little old lady that served me was like, what are you going to put on it? I was like, I don't know, probably not anything, but we'll see. And she's like, oh, you could hang earrings into it. She was so cute. You actually couldn't because it's like hard, but I just entertained the idea. I was like, ooh, yes, that's a good idea. They're all so cute that work there. I love them. That was $1 again. It's like 2 clothes worth, like big spender. At the hospice, $1. And then the last thing I got was a pair of earrings. I did ask, could I please just buy this one pair or do I have to buy the whole bag? And they were like, no, gotta buy them all. I guess it's just an easy way for them to get rid of these small little stud earrings. So I got 10 pairs for $2. I only wanted 1 pair out of this bag. But wait till you guys see these earrings. I might have to do like a close-up shot of them because I don't think you're going to see them properly. But they are like small Hello Kitty like ice cream sandwiches, and they've got baby pink in the middle. They're so cute. There's some with little cameos on them, and there's some little like roses and stuff. But I just react badly to cheap earrings, so I don't sadly think I'll probably get much use out of the others. Like, if anything, I might redonate them. These Hello Kitty ones, the actual bar itself is plastic as well as the front piece. Did I just like flip you off a little bit? I'm so sorry. I did not mean to. But I have like a theory that because it's not a cheap metal, maybe it wouldn't irritate my ears as much because it doesn't like emit any chemicals, but they'll probably still irritate my ears. I just thought, so cute. Oh, they're just so darling. I love them. Even if I just wear them for like a few hours, they are so cute. Usually I don't like cutesy jewellery. Usually I like classic jewellery, but these were like, they just got it right. They're so like ornate and cute, and I love the pastel pink and their Hello Kitty. They're just everything. So that concludes this video. I'm thinking about doing a tips and tricks for secondhand shopping video. Let me know what you would think about that idea, and just leave me a comment in general because you guys know it like makes my life. I love reading comments and replying to them. Subscribe, click the notification bell. You guys know the drill by now if you want to see more videos from me. Besides that, have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye!